sendmail command. The sendmail is a mail transfer agent like MTA, used for sending emails from the command line on the Unix-like systems. Unix or Linux-like systems. It is routes email this specified the receipts using the SMTP, like a simple mail transfer protocol, often interacting with other mail servers to relay the messages across the internet within the local network. Here, the breakdown of sending mail. Okay, so send mail 1 2 at the rate of work 1 or 2. It's right now it's not working. I didn't configure it. We need to configure the I'll show you the example. This cat etc slash mail dot c. Need to configure the we need to configure some rules like SMTP and IMP, like a domain name or this. Either it works. Right now it's not work. But SMTP is a powerful ability to complex tools. It requires the administration setup for the large scales of the external email senders. For simply needs the mails or the mailx. Until this is easy alternative. But most of the times we use the mailx, the graphical user interface. The local, the creating, the sending the mails using the locally or via internet. Which command? Display which command is used to locate the path of the exactly or available usual paths environment variables, where when you type the command in the terminal, which it helps to identify where the exact for the command is located on your system. It's especially useful to configure which version of the command will run if there is a multiple installations, or verify the command is installed or not, like which and map. There is no output means it's not installed. You need to install like sudo apt get install map ask as successful install find which and map showing successfully installed, and the few options like the A, show the binary files and shell files. You can also use the check with the Python. There is no Python version is installed, like Python 3 is installed successfully. The path verification, which command is path verification, verify the path and specify commands, and debugging useful to troubleshoot when the command isn't behaves like exact expected due to the multiple versions of installations. Quick confirmations of the exactly variables available path, which, and then we have the sudo allows to permit the execute commands, like if you want to as the super users like a root or another users, like specifying the secure policy. So sudos are present cat slash etc sudos. The permission denied, you need to use the sudo to use this. This typically use the permissions of the task such as the installation softwares, modification files, changing the system configurations. This is another single command using the super privileges without switching to root user, like on sudo. Need to update, you need to specify the sudo update successfully update, or installation if you want to install anything. To install when successfully installed. Sorry, it's clear. And then next we have the uptime. Uptime commands provides the simple outputs the how long the systems has been running along with the current time. The number of users logged in the system, load average over 1, 5 and 15, like that. It's a 14 minutes up the systems one user was logged in, and the load average. And they typically use the quick glance of the how the long systems has been running the since the last reboot, and how much load system has been under, and chain. And we have the W command. The W command is provides the more detailed information about who is logged in the systems, what they are doing in additional uptimes. It shows the current user sessions of the ideal time and the command they are running. It's a powerful tool to monitor who is acting on the systems, who tasks are the performance. It's showing the username, and TTY means the terminal user logged in, and from means the remote host or the logged in IP address, whatever it is. The login at the rate means the login time, and the ideal is the time to user sessions, and JCPU the total CPUs times are using all process in the user sessions, and PCPU the CPU tells the user by the user count current processing, and what means the command process the user current running, like what are the command is present running on the users, she who is logged in the system on the system.